do the white eyes only, I think, and then you can follow the black eyes pattern as almost the same, but you can do that. Do magic ring, 8 single crochet inside. Pull, it ready. Put a marker. Now second row is all increased. That means in a 1 single crochet you put 2, 1 chain 2 single crochet, so altogether will be 16. Next, second round, not second round, it's will be third round. Third round is 1 there, and then the second one will be 2. So 1 2 1 2 all around. Altogether will be 24. This is the white eyes. Oh my, sorry, the can't be avoided, the sounds, because I've been taking this video 4 times already, and now the dog. I'm getting tired with taking videos with all this noise. Now do a slip chain, and it's done, the white iris. And then if you do the black one, you just put it on top of it and sew it. Yeah. Put it there. Nine chain, on the second slip chain, next one also slip chain, Next one is single crochet, and then half double crochet on the same chain, double crochet, and then treble crochet, another treble, notice that the last one is a bit loose. Here double crochet, and this one here we'll do 5 on that same chain, double crochet, now next one is round already, double crochet there, and then treble crochet, treble, and half double, no, treble crochet, and here will be half double crochet on the same chain, single crochet, slip chain and a slip chain, another one slip chain, and it's done. This is the roto leaf. That I've never seen the cartoon or like that, but I've seen the pencil box, and that's what my niece likes it. The nose pattern, do 2 chain, on the second one do 1 single crochet, turn, chain, and then on that same chain do 2 single crochet, that means increase, turn, 1 chain, increase on that same, and then this one also increase, so altogether will be 4 there, turn, chain, increase there, and next will be 1, and here increase, turn, 1 chain, increase, and here 1, and 1, here increase means 2 single crochet on same chain, Now we're going to go around. 2 chain, then 1 single crochet, next one will be 1 and 1, so there'll be 3 here, single crochet on the same chain, not the next one, so here 2 chains, and the same chain will be 1 single crochet, then go on to 3 single crochet, and then 1 2, and then slip chain. That's the nose. You can put it there, cut it and sew it.